Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to deactivate AutoDS account. This won't take a lot of your time and you just have to do some simple steps. First, go to your AutoDS account. Then at the bottom left corner, click on Settings. Then click on Account and Billing. So here, you're gonna be able to see your account details. All you have to do is to click on Manage or Cancel Account at the bottom. In some cases, this is on the right side, but in my case, it's on the left side. But it is always at the bottom part, so it won't be difficult to find it. Then, it's gonna ask you to select the plan you want to cancel. Once it is selected, just click on Next. Then, this will just give you information of the things that you're gonna lose from your account once you decide to deactivate. But if you have already decided, just click on Next. Then, select a reason why you want to cancel, then just click on Next. Then, it's going to give you more attracting offers to stop you from canceling, but if you have already made up your mind, just click on Continue to Cancellation. Then, click on Confirm Cancellation. And that's it, you have already deactivated your AutoDS account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.